to get maximum benefit from enterprise solution. One of the way to get the maximum benefit from your enterprise solution is actually to implement the customer portal. Basically, you are giving your customers the self-service portal. So what will happen is your customer can log in to the portal and get the service from you 24 hours a day. So what you do is the customer portal will help you to service your customers online. You allow them to log in to see their data from your system. So when you do your work in your CRM, for example, you issue them quotation, the customer can get the update immediately. When you issue invoice, the customer can get update immediately. When you give them the receipt, the customer can get the update automatically. They will also receive email from the system for the various activity just now. So what you do is the customer portal will help you to link with your customers on your quotation, invoices, and the receipt for their payment. So in the future business, you will see that your competitors or most of the company will be more efficient, will be mobile. They will have instant information, and their data are integrated from the various departments, and they will use maximum automation for the maximum efficiency. Let us work together to transform your company to success. How to get maximum benefit from the enterprise solution? One thing is to have the full integration between the system module, between the various departments, and between the various staff. You can have the full internet and mobile-based system to manage your company operation. Data are available from anywhere you are. And you should implement the automation from sales to accounting, which is accounting automation, which I cover quite detailed in another presentation. You should implement the customer self-service, the customer portal, which I will show a little bit. I will show you more detail after this. You should implement the staff self-service, the staff portal, to get the maximum efficiency in your internal operation. We should implement the sales staff KPI, which is managing the sales funnel. You should implement the sales automation. This is in the CRM to increase the efficiency of your sales staff. And you should implement the account management in the CRM. You should implement the inventory management for your inventory tracking. You should implement the automated billing. This is automated invoicing where the system will help you to automatically generate the invoices every month. You should implement the mobile app for the CRM. It speeds your response tremendously. If you do a lot of the social network advertisement, you should look at the implementation of the automated Facebook to leads database system where everything is done automatically. You should look at the automated email response where the system will help you to automatically send back the email to your leads at the different stage of your sales funnel, for example. You should implement the landing pages where when your customer or your potential customer click your keyword, the landing pages talk exactly what's the keyword, what your potential customer is looking for. And you should implement bank reconciliation. We have customers, the one that have thousands and thousands of transactions a month. When they implement automated bank reconciliation, the efficiency become the time saving become more than 95%. And for the CEO and for the accountant, they should look at the financial ratio, look at the monthly trend, and take action based on that financial ratio. And if you are using the human resource system, for example, look at the mobile app to help you to become more and more efficient in your internal staff management. So before we have too many manual processes, the operation is sluggish or your operation are in silo, and you share data probably on the monthly basis using the manual report. But after you implement the ERP, you can see that a lot of the processes can be automated. The modules are linked to other modules. The data are available to all your team member instantly. So basically, you can make a better decision. You can make decision based on the real data. Staff portal is easy to set up. Basically, you just go to your system and then from the CRM module, configuration and setting, just check the box. Then that's it. You are ready for the customer portal. And if you are using Office Central and you are a customer to another customer or Office Central user, they are become your supplier, then actually there is this on your right there. You can see that customer portal. You just click there, you can actually go to the page to log into the customer portal. Your customer will receive this when you set them as your customer. So they will receive this to the email. They will click that button and they can log into the customer portal. And the same thing, when you issue quotation, the system will automatically send email to your customer, and your customer click that view quotation and they can immediately go to the login page for the customer portal. They actually receive their username and password via email from the system when you set the customer portal. The same thing, when you issue invoice to them, they actually will receive the email and you can click that view invoice and you actually can go to the customer portal. Your customer can go into your customer portal. So this is the login page. Your customer will receive email from the system about their username and password. They will go in there and put in their username and password, and immediately they will go to the customer portal. This is the dashboard. For example, there's one outstanding invoice, 125 ringgit there. And if they click the quotation, for example, you see that they will see there are two quotation, a total value of 325 ringgit. If they go down, they click the quotation on the left there, they actually can download the quotation from the system. The same if they go to the next one, for example, they click the invoice, you see that there are two invoices and one invoices outstanding 125 ringgit. They actually can click on the left the invoice there and they actually can download the actual invoice from the system. So when they go to the receipt, for example, they will see one receipt, 200 ringgit, which they have paid, and they actually can click the receipt on the left there and they can download the receipt from the system. So basically, when you use customer portal, you will increase your customer satisfaction. You give them service 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, anytime they want. They can look at the history, and Customer portal will free up your sales staff time to do more sales for you. So customer portal will increase your customer support team efficiency significantly because everything is done online automatically by the system. So Office Central have thousands of users and customers using the system. You should look into using the ERP and see whether the ERP system can help you to become more efficient, more successful, and doesn't matter what you are. Even if you are cooperative, for example, you can still use the ERP. We spend a lot of our time building up smartphone application to give you the mobility, and our staff are working very hard to learn what are things that we can do in order for us to provide features, functions, module that will help you to become more efficient, will help you to become more effective, will help you to become more successful. So contact us, get in touch with us, tell us how we can help you, tell us your issues, your problem, your pain, the one that the system can help you to solve your pain or your problem and to help you become more successful. Thank you.